Are you stuck on a blue screen with the Windows boot error 0xc00000014c? This error indicates that the system registry hive or boot configuration data has become corrupted or unreadable. Let us fix this step by step.
First, boot into the Windows recovery environment and open the command prompt. Run the checkdisk command by typing chkdskdskc fefrx to scan and repair file system metadata corruption. This process isolates bad sectors and repairs the drive structure.
Second, run the offline system file checker command to repair corrupted boot files. Type sfc scanow with your off-boot and off-Windows directory parameters pointed to your system drive. This recovers missing operating system components automatically. Third, rebuild the boot configuration data. Execute bootrec fixmb and bootrec rebuild dcd to repair startup paths. If you get an access denied error on a UEFI system, apply the bcd boot command to recreate the ESP partition files.
Fourth, restore your registry. Go to System Restore to revert your system state, or check the regback folder. Warning: on modern Windows 10 and 11, regback files are 0 bytes by default, so verify the file size before copying to prevent destroying your system.
In summary, error 0xc000001 OISCECT power loss or hard drive degradation. Make sure to keep backups and check your drive health. Please like, subscribe, and comment if these solutions resolved your boot error.